Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw XRP. Robinhood allows you to transfer your XRP to an external wallet or another exchange. This process requires careful attention to detail, especially regarding the destination tag. It is crucial to confirm that your receiving platform is compatible with the XRP ledger network to ensure a smooth and successful transfer. We will guide you through each step to make this process easy. Before initiating any transfer, you must ensure your Robinhood account is fully verified for crypto transfers. Next, log into your external wallet or exchange to accurately retrieve your XRP receiving address. Crucially, locate and copy the destination tag or memo, as this is vital for XRP transactions. Always double-check that your chosen destination supports the XRP ledger network to prevent any issues. Once prepared, open your Robinhood app and go to your cryptocurrency portfolio to find your XRP. Choose the option to send or withdraw your XRP. You will then paste the copied wallet address and the destination tag into the designated fields. It is extremely important to review all the transaction details, including the amount and addresses, before you finalize and confirm the withdrawal. Remember, crypto transfers are permanent, so double-checking every detail is paramount. Be aware that network fees will apply, and these can fluctuate based on network activity. Most XRP withdrawals from Robinhood are completed quickly, often within 10 to 30 minutes, but can sometimes take longer. For maximum security, always ensure two-factor authentication is active on both your Robinhood and receiving accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.